Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to show you this fabulous card and all the different ways that you can use and create this same card style. So I actually did lots of celebration goodies in this card, as well as designer series paper from the Occasions mini catalog. The stamp set that I used is super versatile. It's called Happy Wishes, and it is one of the $100 level celebration stamp sets. So you have that fabulous best and happy that then you can mix and mingle with all of those different letters and words. I guess not letters, except there probably is an A in there somewhere. But anyway, all of those greetings to really create some beautiful sayings on the fronts of your cards. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. I did it where I just stamped the greeting up top, and then I have the little label here using the Layering Circles Framelits. One of the other items that I used from Sale-A-Bration is the ribbon pack. So the ribbon pack is super awesome because one, it's shimmer ribbon, and so I'm super excited about that. Two, it's all three rolls. So there's a coral roll, a gray roll, and a Bermuda Bay roll. So I use the coral, and of course when I think of coral, I think of either navy or I think of using Pool Party. I didn't really want to go navy because of the black stripes in the Petal Passion Designer Series paper, so that's why I went ahead and went with a lighter pastel color of Pool Party. So what I did, because you're probably thinking this is not Petal Passion Designer Series paper, Petal Passion is all blacks and whites, but what I did was I used my sponge brayer to add some color to it to really make it pop and coordinate with this card. So you could always use the Bermuda Bay ribbon and then pick maybe Melon Mambo or some coordinating color to Bermuda Bay to do on your sponge brayering. So I just wanted to bring in a little piece here. So here's another piece of that same designer series paper, and I'm going to bring in my sponge brayer and my Pool Party and just lightly go over the ink. You don't want to press hard over the ink because you don't want the center barrel of the sponge brayer to go into the ink pad. Otherwise it could scratch it. And the other thing is pressing harder isn't really going to get you more ink. It's just going to make a mess actually. So you really just want to go like lightly over it, and you're starting to see, like, yes, I'm glad you guys can see that on camera, just, you know, a little bit of color. And of course, the more you sponge it, the more color that shows up. So you can go light, you can go dark. It's all up to you on how much you want to use. And of course, you could use any of the patterns in the Petal Passion Designer Series paper pack because they're all black and white. So you can add as much color to it as you want. So there's that one. Of course, this side you could also do, which just has those fabulous little like stems or leaves, or maybe you're just going to call those decorative lines. I'm not really sure what the best description of this one would be. There you have that fabulous designer series paper that now has color that coordinates with your project. So I just added that to the bottom down here. You can see that you have that awesome pattern there. Of course, there's this pattern here, and then there's also the stripes. So super quick and simple way to coordinate your designer series paper with any of your projects and to use up some of those celebration goodies before you are done earning them. So don't forget that the end of March is the end of Sale-A-Bration. So you'll definitely want to make sure that you stock up on everything or get those items off your wish list so that you can enjoy as much of the Sale-A-Bration goodies as you can. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and you try out sponge brayering on your designer series paper as well. Let me know in the comments below what color combination you would use with either the Bermuda Bay, the coral, or the gray. And I'll use that on my next sample. So I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Don't forget that also this month, the free stamp set of the month that I have for a $75 order is the In the Trees stamp set. So that's super fabulous as well. And I have lots of samples using that set. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastampad.com, for more details on that, as well as more details on this card here and others. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.